Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is relationship. In that, master detail relationship. So relationship types. Relation are used to establish connection between two or more objects. Relationship is bidirectional association between two objects. Account to contact relationship is an example of a standard relationship in Salesforce. There are following types of relationship: master detail relationship, that is one to many relationship; lookup relationship, that is one to many relationship; junction object, that is many to many relationship; hierarchical relationship, that is one to one relationship; and external lookup. So in detail we are going to see master detail relationship. So master detail relationship is a strongly coupled relationship. It is one to many relationship. It can be created using master detail relationship data type. It can be created on custom object. So we can't create it on a standard object. It can be created on those custom objects in which there are no records. Means if the records are available on any custom object, we can't create master detail relationship. It is a required field. This field store 18 character record ID of the master record. Object on which master detail relationship field created, called detail object or child object. Object to whose data master detail relationship field is referring, called master object or parent object. When we create master detail relationship on a object, then this object will not have owner field. Means it is going to refer that particular parent ownership. Whoever is owner of master record, he will be owner of that particular child record. If master record deleted, corresponding child record deleted. Only deleted master record will be displayed in recycle bin. When we undelete master record, corresponding child records are also undeleted. An object can be master of any number of objects. We can create two master detail relationship fields for one object. Child object can be present of any other object up to 3 level. If an object has two parents on it, it cannot be parent to any other object. In one to many relationship, on many side of relation, we create master detail relationship. So steps to create master detail relationship: setup, object and fields, object manager, choose object, fields and relationship, click new. Step 1, select relationship type. Step 2, select related to object. Step 3, enter the label and name for the lookup field. Step 4, establish field level security for reference field. Step 5, add reference field to page layouts. Step 6, click save button. So let's see an example of creating master detail relationship. Create master detail relationship on payment object for employee as master. If deleting employee record, then payment record is also get deleted. So for the object payment, data type would be, for the salary field we are taking the data type currency. For bonus, again taking the data type currency. For the month, it's date data type. And for payment, we are creating master detail relationship employee. So to do the practicals, just provide the username and password on the login.salesforce.com URL. Hit the login button. First, we are going to create a payment object. On this, we are going to create master detail relationship. So for that, first we need to click on setup button. Click on setup. So under platform tools, click object and fields. Click object manager. So from create, just click custom object. So provide the details like label payment, plural is payments. It's not starting with vowel, it's all again not mandatory. So here I am making it payment number and taking the data type auto number, payment P and ID in the curly braces. The starting number would be 1. Optional features I am making it checked and allow search. Just click on save button. So for this we have to choose the tab style. For creating the tab, click on next button. So add to profile, I am going with default one. Click next. Add to custom apps, I am unchecking this include tab and only checking for employee management system app. Click on save button. So for payment object, we have to create the fields also. Just click on fields and relationship. Click on new button. For the first field salary, we have to choose the currency. Data type, click on next button. Provide the field label. I am making the length is 10 and decimal value would be 2. I am not making it required or default value. Click on next button. Establish field level security, FLS. I am going with default one. Click next. And page layout would be payment layout. Just click on save and new button, because again we have to click we have to create next field. So again for the bonus I am taking again currency. Data type, click on next button. Provide the field label. Again I am making the length 10 and decimal value is 2. Going with default one. Click next. FLS I am going with default one. Click next. Again click on save and new, because one more field I have to create. So next field is month and data type would be date. Next, provide the field label name and click on next button. FLS I am going with default one. Next, page layout, on the payment page layout. Again clicking on save and new button, because we have to create a master detail relationship on this payment object. So here in the relationship section we are seeing the master detail relationship radio button. Click on this. Click next. In the related to, we have to provide the field name. Here I am going with employee, as this object we had created earlier. So employee, click on next button. Again I am providing the field label employee, and going with all default one. Click next. Click next. Reference field to page layout. So related list label is payment, and it's on employee page layout. Add to related list. Click on save button. So again, coming back to our employee management system application, just search from app launcher. So earlier we had created employee object, and today we had created payments object. So let's create a record for the payment object and see what the things are happening. Click on new button. So here it's first asking for the salary, then bonus, then month. So I need this employee field at the top, because for this employee I am going to give the salary, then bonus, then for which month I am providing. So to make it available at the top, just close this window, click on setup, edit object. So in the details section, just come to page layout, and at the right side just click on edit button. In the payment detail section, we need to drag this employee field at the top above salary. Yes, done. Click save. So to see the changes, just reload this page. So just click on payment tab, click on new button. Now we are able to see employee as we had make it at the top. So for this employee we are going to provide salary, bonus and month. So if in the payment object, if there is any record existing, so in that case we can't create a master detail relationship on payment object. ID 1 salary would be 45,000 and bonus would be 4500, and for the selected month. Click on save button. So in this way we are creating master detail relationship on a particular object. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.